Physical activity is a lot more fun when we're physically literate. When we feel competent, we have the confidence and the desire to participate in a variety of physical activities. This feeling of competency happens when fundamental movement skills are acquired. These skills include rolling, kicking, catching, throwing, bouncing, striking with one or both hands, running, horizontal jumping, galloping, skipping, and hopping. The skills are called fundamental because they are the building blocks of a wide variety of movement. Fundamental movement skills are often categorized into stabilizing skills, locomotor skills, and manipulative skills. Stabilizing skills involve maintaining balance against gravity, such as balancing on hands and feet, balancing on one foot, balancing on the knees, or even on their bum. It also allows for coordination and agility when faced with different surfaces such as grass, snow, or ice, as well as uneven surfaces. Manipulative skills refer to the manipulation of objects, for example, tapping a balloon with a bat, kicking a ball, or throwing a beanbag. When integrating manipulative skill activities, encourage children to use as many body parts as possible when playing with objects by themselves or with others. For example, instead of catching a scarf with the hands, why not catch it with the head or one knee? Use a wide range of soft objects, including balls of different sizes and textures, when playing catching games. For example, encourage children to catch a large ball with two hands to start, and progress towards smaller balls and eventually one-handed catching. Balls that don't bounce too much and the use of balloons are a great way to start. However, when using balloons with preschoolers, remember to always cover balloons with pantyhose to avoid the risk of choking if they burst. Finally, invite children to also use different forces. For example, throwing, kicking, batting, and receiving an object to and from close targets requires an easy force, while doing this from greater distances or heights requires increased force. Locomotor skills are those that allow children to move from one place to another in a variety of ways and using different body parts, such as galloping, walking, crawling, crab walking, hopping, or even rolling. Moving does not always have to be done in a straight line. Encourage children to travel in different ways, by going frontwards, backwards, or on the side, with stops and starts, with different levels like highs and lows, as well as different speeds like going fast and then going slow. Encouraging children to move in different ways and in different directions also allows them to improve their spatial orientation and their sense of direction. Children develop physical literacy gradually through a variety of structured and unstructured activities. Incorporating activities and games which involve these different skills allow children to develop their fundamental movement skills, all while teaching them how and where their body can move, and the relationships their body can create. It is a misconception that fundamental movement skills develop optimally as a child matures. Children need time and opportunities to play, as well as a little guidance to develop their fundamental movement skills. The more opportunities children have to learn fundamental movement skills, the more they will feel confident in their ability to move, and the more motivated they will be to want to try new movements. In turn, this will lead them to learn new fundamental movement skills,